Okay, first of all, this was the test that you get yesterday. Name the statements used for following. First is to take the value from user during runtime. What will be the answer for this question? Which statement is used to take value from user during runtime?
Input statement.
Input statement. Correct. Very good. To terminate the program. Naman?
End statement.
Okay, very good. End statement. To assign value to user. Sorry, assign value to a variable.
Let statement.
Let statement. Correct. To change the screen mode.
Screen statement.
Statement.
Screen statement. Correct. Screen statement. To take the value from user during runtime. Input statement. To terminate the program. And statement. To assign value to a variable. Let statement. And to change the screen mode. Screen statement. To set the color of graphics and backgrounds.
Color statement.
Color statement. Correct. Color statement. Okay, now what is the syntax for color statement?
Color F, B.
Okay, where F stands for
Foreground color.
and B stands for
Background color.
background color. But whenever you give the syntax, always give the meaning of the letters which are used in the syntax. Like I asked you about the F stands for and B stands for. When you write color F, B, also write F stands for foreground color and B stands for background color. Mention that also. Okay. Okay. Next is, what is the use of print statement? What is the use of print
Ma'am,
statement?
it is a statement. Ma'am, it is a statement that gives the output of a program.
That gives the output or that displays the output or messages on the output screen. Okay, print statement is used to display anything. That could be a single message, that could be the output of some calculation or whatever the output you want to display of the program. So print statement is used to display the output or the expressions or the messages on the output screen. Okay. Okay, name the two types of numeric constants.
Ma'am, -1, 10.5.
Constant, string constant.
Uh,
Integer constant, real constant.
yes, Jasleen, right? Integer constants and real constants. Integer constants means the numbers without any decimal point, and real constants mean the numbers with fractional part. That means with the decimal point. Okay, integer constant and real constant. Two types of numeric constants. Okay, now classify the following under correct category. Name $sign. It belongs to which category? Numeric variable, numeric constant, string variable, or string constant?
String
Ma'am,
constant.
Ma'am,
String variable.
ma'am, string variable.
Okay, it is a string variable. Okay, recess in double quotes.
Ma'am, string constant.
String constant.
String constant. Correct. It is a string constant. And 67?
Ma'am, numeric constant.
Constant.
Numeric constant. 4.5?
Numeric constant.
Numeric constant. Num1?
Numeric variable.
Numeric constant.
Numeric variable. Okay, Nandini, Anmol, Aryan, Prabnoor, Harmanpreet, why you are not giving answers? -98.
Numeric constant.
Numeric constant. Hello in double quotes.
String constant.
String constant. $sign.
String variable.
String variable. X.
Numeric constant.
Numeric variable.
It is not a constant. It is not given in double quotes. Nor it is a number. It is just a single letter that can store value. So it is a numeric variable because it is not having
Ma'am,
any
age
dollar
is also
sign
numeric variable.
Yes, and age is also a numeric variable. X and age
Numeric
both are
variable.
the numeric variables. Okay. So name $sign. string variable because it is having a dollar sign, that it means it can store any string constant or any string value. Recess, which is given in double quotes, that itself is a string constant. 67, 4.5 are the numeric constants, that means the values. Num1 numeric variable, minus 98 numeric constant. Hello in double quotes, that is a string constant. A dollar sign string variable. X and age both are the numeric
Numeric
variable.
variable.
Okay, correct. हाँ जी, clear है सबको यहाँ तक?
Yes,
Any doubt
ma'am.
in the test?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will begin with the today's topic, that we were continuing with the graphics in QBasic. Yesterday we had done two statements. One was the screen statement, that is used to change the screen mode. Okay. And second, we had done the color statement, that is used to give the color to the your foreground and background colors. Now we are going to learn about the line statement. Line statement. It is used to draw line on the screen. It is used to draw lines on output screen. Okay. Now, what is the syntax for line statement? That is very important. Okay. It is used to draw lines on the output screen. Now, what is the syntax of the line statement? Syntax means the way to write a statement. Now, what is the way to write a line statement? Syntax for line statement is, first of all, you will write the keyword line. After that, give one space. In bracket, you will give the coordinates x, y and y1. X and y coordinates. Then in brackets, give one space, put hyphen, again space, another bracket, x2 and y2. Now x1 and y1 are the coordinates where the line begins, and x2 and y2 are the coordinates where the line ends. Yesterday I told you there are screen modes in which we count the number of pixels, or their resolution is there, 640 by 320 or 640 by 200 or 320 by 200. That means column wise and row wise, width wise and height wise, there are number of pixels. So x1 and y1 is the number of pixel column wise and row wise. X2 and Y2 are also the number of pixels column wise and row wise. This we will define, then we will be able to draw the line. We will tell कि किस pixel से किस coordinate से line start होगी, and X2 and Y2 will specify the ending point of the pixels कि किस pixel पे जाके ये end होगी. I am showing you one graph paper here to make you more understand this point. Suppose these are the number of pixels. I'm showing you in a graph form. These are the number of pixels width-wise and height-wise. Okay. Now I can count these pixels by counting this is the one pixel, first pixel, that is represented by 0, 0. 0 row, 0 column. So this is the first pixel, first point of the screen, that is 0, 0. 0 column, 0 row. Then this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 11, 12, 13, 14. We are counting this. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In this way, we will count the X value. This is the X value, column wise. Okay? Then this is the rows wise. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, if we want to start the line from here, जो मैंने अभी point लगाया, अगर मुझे line यहाँ से start करनी है, तो what is the pixel number यहाँ पे? कितना column number है? What is the column number here? Now you can count it. What is the column number here? Yes, anyone? You can count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 9. So 9 pixel X wise. Now Y row wise कितना है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means the first coordinate that I will give, that will be 9 by 9. I want to start my line from here. 9 by 9. Clear? Now ending value. What will be the ending value? मुझे line कहाँ तक draw करनी है? मुझे line कहाँ तक draw करनी है? Suppose I am taking the line tool here to explain it to you. Suppose I am drawing the line from here to this point. Now count the number of pixels for the ending line. Count it. ये starting वाला तो 9 9 हो गया. Now count the number of pixel for ending line. What will be the ending pixel? Ending coordinates क्या होंगे हमारे? Count करो बेटा. Anyone who can count? Now this is your 10. X value is 10. Sorry, X value will remain this. Now count it again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now row wise, again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means 21,
20.
9. This will draw straight line. ठीक है, this will
मैम
draw.
आप इसको 9,21 नहीं लिख सकते?
बेटा 9 x वैल्यू देखनी है ना आपने. ये देखो मैं आपको यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करके दिखा रही हूँ. स्क्रीन मोड हमने ले लिया 13. सपोज हमने कलर सेट कर लिया to 15, that is a foreground color. Or if you want to take some another color, suppose I am taking 4 for the red. ठीक है. Now I am drawing the line. Line 9,9. देखते हैं किस डायरेक्शन में लाइन ड्रॉ हो रही है. Whether it is an x value or whether it is a y value. It is starting the program, execution हो रही है, just wait. Okay, now see. Now see. This is the output screen. A small line is there. Number of pixels 9 से लेके 21 तक. That was the x. Row is same and x value is changing, so it is giving me the horizontal line. Okay, is it visible? Let me change the screen mode first. मैं आपका screen mode थोड़ा सा change कर रही हूँ. I'm taking it as 12 now, so that it will look a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to run it again. हाँ जी, आउटपुट स्क्रीन पे देखो एक छोटी सी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन नजर आ रही है. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
नजर आ रही है, right? I had started from 9 pixels, 9 column, 9 row, and ending it with 21 pixel, 21 column and 9th row. Okay, I'm showing you we are increasing the value here. I'm changing the value here. Now I'm taking it here. Suppose 200. Same row. Okay. Now run it. Now you can see 200 pixel. Now line को देखो. Line आपको बड़ी नजर आ रही है? Line नजर आ रही है आपको? Okay. Now how we counted it? I will explain it again. See here. Here we had counted the number of pixels like this. Up from 9th row, 9th column, this was the point. Just take the point from where you want to start the line. Okay. I want to start the line, suppose I want to start the line from here and go this side. So you have to count this point value कि ये कौन सा pixel है row wise and column wise. First of all, I'm going to count it column wise. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now again ending pixel will also be 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the row. Now from here, what is the number of pixels? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the value 10, 11. Okay. So this is the value 10, 11. 10th column, 11th row. 10th column, 11th row. ठीक है. Now ending value कितनी होएगी? Column is 10. Now column is 10. ठीक है. Now what is the number of row? We had counted here. It is the 10th column. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Column. Row wise. 11th यहाँ पे था. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Like this. So it will draw a vertical line. If we give these coordinates. Now, if I want to draw some diagonal line, मुझे यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक line draw करनी है. Now count the number of columns from this side, number of rows from this side for the starting point. Again, number of columns from this side and number of rows from this side. You have to count it. Now, when we draw it by in basic, we just give the increase the number. I'm counting it only to make you understand the point, how the pixels are counted for the initial point and how the pixels are counted for the ending point. Okay, you can count them like this. Is it clear to everyone? Point beta समझ आ रहा है? Yes, Arshia, Rivya. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Concept
Yes,
समझ आ रहा है
ma'am.
बेटा? Nandini, Jalash.
Yes, ma'am.
What I'm
Yes, ma'am.
trying to explain to you how we count the number of pixels. Now let me try the different combinations now in QBasic. Okay? Now we will try the different combinations in QBasic like this. Suppose it was a straight line. Now I want to draw a vertical line. I'm changing the color of the line also. Color, suppose I'm taking 14. Now I want to draw a line. Suppose starting from 50, 50 and ending with hyphen, ending point, I'm taking the column number same so that it will draw the vertical line, and row number I'm increasing to 150. Now if the column number is same, that means it will draw the vertical line. If the row number is same, it will draw the horizontal line. In the first line, we are having the same row number 99. Now you will see, this is the line. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Now I'm going to draw. Okay, I didn't show you. Okay, now is it visible? Okay, now it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to give another combination of the lines.
मैम
Yes.
मैं अपनी फर्स्ट लाइन में 200 क्यों लिखा है?
200 is the column name, column number, sorry. Okay, this is the column number, row number, then column number, row number. Column means हमारा 200 column तक line draw करेगा. Suppose I'm giving now here, changing the color again to 15, that is white. Then I am drawing the line. Now I am taking the point, suppose starting from 50, 50 again, or I want to have it 100, 100. Okay, and I want to draw, I'm changing the column number and row number both now. I'm going to draw a diagonal line. $250 by $250. Okay, now I will run. Starting from 100, 100 and ending for 250, 250. Now you can see this is the diagonal line. This is the 100, yani 100 column, this one, 100 pixel from this side. Now it is 250 pixel from this side and 250 pixels from this side. Okay, it will count. Now what will be the maximum value? What could be the maximum value? That depends on the screen resolution. What screen mode you had used? I had used here screen 12. Screen 12 means 640 pixels wide and 480 pixel is the height. So 640 pixel means you can give up to 639. 0 to 639. And 480 means 0 to 479. That is the maximum value you can give. Okay, let's draw a full line. Full screen पर एक line draw करते हैं. ठीक है? Using the maximum values. Here I'm going to erase all these lines.
1000.
Okay, I'm taking the color as 15, that is the white. Now I'm going to draw a line 0, 0, that is a beginning point, and the ending point is 639 and 479. Because screen 12 pixel is the screen mode. In this screen mode, we are having the resolution of 640 by 480. Now 640 pixels अगर count होंगे, so they are not counting from 1, we are counting it from 0. So if 0 is counting, to 1 less 639, 639 तक there will be 640 pixels. Okay. Now run it. You can download it QBasic in your screens and you will see try the various combinations. Now you can see full screen line. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, maximum value 639 या 439 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकती.
बेटा मैंने अभी आपको बताया लक्ष्य स्क्रीन मोड हमारा 612 है, स्क्रीन 12 है. स्क्रीन 12 में देखो रेजोल्यूशन आपको 640 by 480 पिक्सल्स दी हुई है. 640 पिक्सल्स मीन 640 पिक्सल्स वाइड एंड 480 पिक्सल्स हाइट. तो अगर इससे ज्यादा दोगे तो स्क्रीन के बाहर जाएगा वो पिक्सल नंबर, तो वो ड्रॉ कहाँ करेगा? ठीक है. अगर आपने स्क्रीन 7 लिया है तो स्क्रीन 7 में आपके पास 320 by 200 पिक्सल्स हैं. So that means your maximum value will be 319 and 199. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now suppose I want to draw a box, a rectangle. Okay, I'm going to erase all this. Suppose I want to draw a box. Now you will have to calculate the count the pixels कि कहाँ से line start हो रही है और कहाँ पे end होनी है. That means you are supposed to draw 4 connecting lines now. ठीक है? I want to draw a line here. Then I want to draw a line here. And this one here. Okay. Now this is the coordinates for one line. This will be the coordinates. यहाँ से आपकी line start हो रही है. Same coordinates से start करके आपने एक line draw करनी है horizontal by changing the value of column. Row number will be same here. Suppose this is the row number 11, 11. Suppose I'm taking it as 11, 11. That means 11th row, 11th column. Now row number, column number will increase and row number will remain same. Suppose it is now, I'm taking it at 100. That is a column number from this side, and row number will remain same. Starting point will be this, ending point will be this. Now for this ending point, now here क्या change हो रहा है? यहाँ पे हमारा row number change हो रहा है. Suppose 111. Okay. Now this is the 100th row. 100th आपका क्या आ जाएगा? Sorry, यहाँ पे 1100 आएगा. 1100. 11th is the column number and row number is 100. Okay. Now we will draw this line. Now what will be the coordinates? Here यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है हमारा? Row number is same. Column number will increase 100 and row number will also increase 100. Got it? Suppose I am not taking it at change. अब इसको draw करके देखो basic में. Draw it in basic. Suppose I am starting from 100 and 100 and drawing a straight line, same column number, and I'm changing the row number as 300. Now let's see. एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, कहाँ ड्रॉ हो रही है? हाँ जी, वन स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ हो गई. हाँ जी, अब देखो दोनों स्क्रीन्स नजर आ रही है बेसिक की बेटा. Now see, I had given 100, 100, yani 100 column wise, 100 row wise. This is the starting point. Now 100 I had given the column wise, yani this is the 100. From this side it is 100 and 300. From this side it is 300. Now I have to draw a connecting line from this point. Yani starting point will remain same 100, 100, 100, and this side I'm going. Now row, this is column increasing, row is not increasing. So I'm coming back to this. I'm drawing it again. Line 100, 100. This will be the starting point because I'm going to start the line from same point, and I'm going to give the, now column is increasing. I'm giving it as 300 and row will remain same 100. Now run it. Now see, second line हो गई. Now in the second line, what coordinates I had given? 100, 100. Yani starting point, this is the same. Now I'm giving, increasing the column number. I had increased the column number 300 and row number is same, that is 100. Now third point का coordinate, starting point क्या होगा? This is the 300 and 100. I want to start it from here. ठीक है? And ending point क्या होगा? This one. This is row number 300 and column number is also 300. Let's see. You can do it, you can practice it by changing. जितना ज़्यादा आप commands के coordinates change करके try करोगे, you will do the practice. You will learn how to give the coordinates. Now see. Now what happens in the third line? 300 by 100. This was the ending point of this second line. This ending point I am taking it as the beginning, as the starting point for the next line. Okay. Now ending point 300. Now what will be this coordinate? This was the coordinate 100, 300, and this is 300 by 300. This is a coordinate for the first line जो हमने यहाँ draw करी थी, ये वाला coordinate 100 by 300. Now I'm going to start it from here and finishing it by 300 by 300 like this. See, the full box is there now. हाँ जी, रिव्या, जानवी, इज इट क्लियर बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Any doubt बेटा? पॉइंट्स कैसे कैलकुलेट करने हैं? ग्राफ पेपर पे समझ आ रहा है आपको? You can have your graph paper with you and draw the line and then count the coordinates. It will help you to understand the concept कि हमने स्क्रीन पर पिक्सेल्स कैसे काउंट करने हैं. Okay? रुद्र, प्रभनूर, दृष्टि, आर्यन, जसलीन, जलश, बेटा any doubt in this line tool?
No,
Is it
ma'am.
clear to everyone?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
Yes बेटा.
मैम जो आप यहाँ पर ये पिक्सेल्स ले रहे हो ना, वो अभी क्लियर नहीं हो रहे.
Okay. Let's see. Suppose I am taking it again. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हम काउंट करते हैं दोबारा से. पहले यहाँ पे काउंट करके देखते हैं. ओके, सपोज आई हैड टेकन इट एज 100. दिस इज द कॉलम वाइज एंड रो वाइज. मैंने ये ले लिया कि ये मेरा बिगनिंग पॉइंट है, 100th रो है, 100th कॉलम है. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? यस
यस मैम.
ओके.
यस
नाउ
मैम.
आई मीन ड्रॉइंग द लाइन फ्रॉम हॉरिजॉन्टल. तो हमारा देखो, हमारा कॉलम इंक्रीज हो रहा है बट रो तो 100 आ रही है. रो वाइज
Yes,
इट इज
ma'am.
अगेन 100. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, कॉलम इंक्रीज कर रही हूँ 300 पे एंड रो दे रही हूँ 100. कॉलम इंक्रीज हो रहा है ना बेटा दिस साइड से. ये देखो,
यस मैम.
अगर हम इधर से इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे देखो कॉलम वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो रही है. इट इज इंक्रीजिंग टू दिस साइड बट रो नंबर इज सेम.
यस.
ओनली देन इट विल ड्रॉ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन ना. ठीक है,
यस मैम.
आई वांट टू ड्रॉ दिस लाइन. अब इस तरफ जाना है, तो हमारा क्या चेंज हो रहा है? कॉलम चेंज हो रहा है कि रो चेंज हो रही है?
मैम रो.
रो चेंज हो रही है. ओके, तो कॉलम नंबर विल रिमेन सेम, दैट इज 100.
Yes,
First column
yes,
number we
ma'am.
give in the first argument. Now row number is changing. I am giving it 300. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I want to go to this side. अब मुझे इस तरफ जाना है, इस तरफ. अब मेरा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट क्या है? 100, 300.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
ending पॉइंट क्या है यहाँ पे? कि मेरा कॉलम भी इंक्रीज हो रहा है और रो भी इंक्रीज हो रही है. रो भी नीचे आ रही है and column
Yes,
is also
ma'am.
increasing. So I will write it here 300 by 300.
100.
300 बेटा. देखो इधर से भी तो इंक्रीज हुआ ना, यहाँ तक 100 था, नीचे आए 300 तक आ गए. इधर से ये 100 है, राइट साइड पे आ रहे हैं, 300 हो गया. नाउ दीज आर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स फॉर योर 4 लाइंस. जब आप स्ट्रेट लाइन ये ब्लैक वाली ऊपर वाली ड्रॉ करोगे, आपका बिगनिंग कोऑर्डिनेट आएगा 100 by 100, 300 by 100. नाउ जब आप ये वर्टिकल लाइन ड्रॉ करोगे, देन योर कोऑर्डिनेट्स विल बी 100 by 100, देन 100 by 300. सी, मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ पूरा. यहाँ पे देखो हमने यही किया है. दिस 100 by 100, then 100 by 300. ये वाला, ये लाइन ड्रॉ हो गई. Then I had given 100, 100, 300 and 100. यानी this one, ये वाला ऊपर वाला. Then 300 and 100. This is the 300 and 100 starting point for this, and ending point is 300, 300. Then this line draw हो गई. फिर हमने दिया 100 by 300. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करो and यहाँ तक जाओ, फिर 300 by 300. Now it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी. Any doubt?
No.
Anybody else?
Thank you.
Okay. In the next class, we will continue with the circle and the other commands also. Okay. Now do the practice of line command.